Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This will be a English version of from where to buy, where to sell. So, a few things you have to keep in mind before buying and selling. You have to determine a rule. First rule is check the trend, what the trend is. So, this is the daily chart of Aussie USD, and you can clearly see this is a downtrend. Market is making lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So this is a clearly a downtrend. When you have to buy, you think that this market can go up, you have to buy this pair. So what the rules you should follow before buying in a downtrend? When you get to know the trend is over or you have to buy, you have to keep that in mind that once the market break its previous high, it's when you are sorry, when you have to buy after end of the downtrend, you have to keep in mind that market have to break the previous high and you have to buy on the retest. Okay, so you can see a lower high, a lower high, a lower high, and this is a lower high and this is the lower low. Market then make a lower high. ठीक है? Okay, so you have to do one thing. You have to mark a lower low and a last lower high. Okay, forget about all this. Consider it doesn't happen. You have to focus this lower low and lower high. What I'm going to tell you. So we consider it is a downtrend. Still it's a downtrend. If the market have to continue its downtrend, market have to break its last previous lower low. You can see this is lower high, this is lower low. If market have to continue its downtrend, market have to break this lower low. That what market does. Market break this lower low and make another lower high and make another lower low and break this previous low. It's mean we are still in a downtrend. If market break this lower high, this previous lower high, if market break this previous low high, so we have to buy. We have to wait for a buy signal on this retest. Okay, so here is a game changer. Market make lower low and lower high. So you mark lower low and lower high. You considering that if this is a downtrend, market should break this low, last lower low, and you have to buy on a retest. Wait a second. Sorry about that. You are considering this is a neutral area we have a last lower low and we have a last lower high. If market have to continue its downtrend, market must break this last lower low and make a retest, because this is a support and turn in a resistance. Okay, it's a simple. But market, what market does, market did make a low, market make lower low, sorry about that, market make lower low, market make lower high, but failed to make a lower low, failed to break this lower high. Market make a higher low. Okay, wait a minute. Market make a lower high, market didn't make a lower low, market failed failed to break this lower low. It's mean we are not in a downtrend anymore. So this last lower high, it's still a lower high. If market have to if market have to start a new trend to the upside, sorry, if market have to start a new trend to the upside, market must break this lower high. What market is did, market did break this lower high and but didn't retest. If you take entry on just a breakout, you are in a profit. It's a simple rule. If you are in a downtrend and you have to make a sell entry and you have to make a buy entry, you have to wait to, if market is in a downtrend, market must break its previous lower low. If market is starting a buying trend, so market have to break last lower high. So what market did is break a last lower high and continue and start a new uptrend. So in uptrend, you can see market did a big correction. It didn't do before it. Market did a big correction to the downside. So if market have to continue, if market have to continue its buying trend, market have to break, market must break this higher high. But what market did, to break a previous low, higher low. Market break the previous higher low. So we have to be careful about buying. We have to see on this area, we have to find a sell entry on this area. If market break uh, this higher low and again retest it, so we can see the market is in a range, in a neutral area. Okay, but but market did break a last higher low, so we have to consider that the trend is change. We have to find a sell entry on this side. If market retest it and give a signal like pin bar, doji, or anything, so we can sell from this area. Okay, I hope you got that point about selling and buying. Thank you very much.